For nearly 20 years, the private chef has been the private chef to the stars, cooking for Hollywood's elite, Leonardo DiCaprio, Nicole Kidman, Jennifer Garner, Tom Cruise, and Mel Gibson. And now he's sharing his secrets and his recipes with you.
I'm not here to show you what I can do. I'm here to show you what you can do.
The Private Chef Cookbook is unlike any cookbook you've seen.
I cook in a home just like you cook in a home. You and I aren't afforded the same luxuries that a restaurant chef is, cooking from the same menu every night, groceries delivered to our door, and a full staff to help us cook.
The private chef understands the challenges of cooking in a home. The cost, the time, the hectic schedules, the need for simplicity, and cooking for America's toughest critics, your family.
I've taken my experience cooking in the homes of Hollywood's biggest stars and their families and put it all into one beautiful, simple, easy-to-follow cookbook. These recipes will save you time, money, stress, and you'll eat better than you've ever imagined.
They're simple, they're fast. The recipes were very easy to make.
We've saved, quite a bit of money not going out every Friday and Saturday night.
When I started cooking, it was actually easy.
I'm not spending the gobs of money I used to be going out every night.
I wrote this cookbook for you.
The Private Chef Cookbook gives you everything you need to cook like a star.
The Private Chef Cookbook covers it all. Japanese, Chinese, Italian, Greek, Indian, American, appetizers, soups, salads, main courses, desserts. You can cook from my cookbook for 2 months and never repeat a recipe.
I know how delicious these recipes are. They have to be. They were created for Hollywood's biggest stars.
Yes, I know I've cooked in the homes of some of Hollywood's biggest box office stars, but I still cook in a home, just like you. That's why I know the recipes in this book will work in your home.
Call now to order the Private Chef Cookbook and start eating like a star.